Have you ever dreamed of turning a modest investment into a life-changing fortune? In the world of cryptocurrency, that dream isn't just a fantasy. It can become a reality with the right altcoin. These alternative coins to Bitcoin, known as 100 times altcoins, have the potential to skyrocket by a staggering 10,000% in value. This guide will help you explore this exciting but unpredictable world and improve your chances of finding the next big altcoin. Let's start this journey. So the main question is, what is a 100 times altcoin? Let us explain. A 100 times altcoin is a term used in the cryptocurrency market to describe an alternative cryptocurrency that increases in value by 10,000%. For example, if you invest $1 in a 100 times altcoin and it grows this much, your investment would become $100. Altcoins are digital currencies built on blockchain technology, like Bitcoin, but they have different functions and purposes. Now let's move on to the most important part, how to find 100 times altcoin projects in crypto. Thoroughly research new ICOs and token sales. To find 100 times altcoin projects in crypto, it's crucial to thoroughly research upcoming initial coin offerings and token sales. Start by examining the project's white paper, which outlines its goals, technology, and how it plans to succeed. Check the backgrounds of the team members and review their roadmap to understand their plan for growth. Look for projects with unique ideas, strong technology, and a clear purpose within the blockchain world. Pay attention to factors like how the tokens are used, how they are distributed, and how the project is governed to ensure they match your investment goals and risk tolerance. Additionally, consider the project's market position, its competitors, and its target audience to evaluate its potential and competitive edge. By conducting thorough research on upcoming ICOs and token sales, you can find promising altcoin projects with the potential for significant returns. Watch market trends and spot fast-growing sectors. Keep an eye on new areas in the cryptocurrency world like decentralized finance, non-fungible tokens, and Web3 applications. These areas often grow quickly and bring new ideas, offering many chances for profitable investments. Look at market changes, demand and supply issues, and the rules governing these sectors to find areas with high growth potential. By staying updated on market trends and spotting fast-growing sectors early, you can take advantage of the next big altcoin projects before they become widely known. Find projects with a strong team and good track record. When looking for 100 times altcoin projects, focus on those with a strong team of skilled developers and advisors. Check the team's experience, past successes, and their reputation in the industry to see if they can carry out the project's goals effectively. Look for team members with relevant experience in blockchain, finance, and marketing, and a history of success in previous projects. Also, consider if the project has well-known advisors who can offer helpful advice and connections in crypto world. A strong team with a proven track record improves the chances of the project succeeding and growing in the long run. Review the white paper, roadmap, and technical details. The white paper shows what the project is about, including its technology, purpose, token details, and market plan. Check the roadmap to understand the project's goals, timeline, and how they plan to achieve them. Look at the technical details, such as smart contracts, system specs, and security measures, to ensure the project is viable and has long-term potential. Make sure the project's plans are clear, transparent, and practical. By thoroughly reviewing the white paper, roadmap, and technical details, you can make better investment choices and find altcoin projects with great growth potential. Watch community activity and feelings. Pay close attention to how the community interacts with a project to find promising altcoin projects. Join the project's social media channels, forums, and discussion groups to see how active and positive the community is. Look for high engagement, positive comments, and strong support from members, as these can indicate a well-supported project with growth potential. Also, keep an eye on social media trends, mentions by influencers, and use sentiment analysis tools to understand the overall market feeling about the project. By staying updated on community activity and feelings, you can get useful insights into the project's popularity and future success. Consider investing in early-stage projects. Investing in early-stage projects with small market caps but high growth potential can be a smart way to find 100 times altcoins. Look for promising projects in their early stages, often called microcap or nanocap altcoins, before they become widely known. Do thorough research on the project's basics, team, technology, and market position. Although investing in early-stage projects is riskier, it can offer big rewards if the project grows and becomes successful. By choosing and investing in promising early-stage projects, you can take advantage of major growth opportunities in the altcoin market. Use risk management strategies. Spread your investments across different altcoins to reduce risk and avoid putting too much into one asset. Set clear goals, risk limits, and exit plans before investing. Use stop-loss orders to automatically sell your altcoins if their prices drop below certain levels, which helps limit losses. Stay updated on market trends, news, and changes to make timely decisions and adjust your strategy as needed. By using good risk management strategies, you can confidently handle the volatile altcoin market and protect your investment from unexpected risks and downturns. Understanding crowd behavior in crypto. Crypto markets go through repeating cycles that often look similar with the same outcomes. Most people end up losing money, while only a few make profits, partly due to crowd manipulation. Here's a common pattern. When prices start to rise, nearly everyone hesitates to buy, thinking it's too late. But when prices reach their highest point, they buy because they don't want to miss out, FOMO. When prices drop, they sell because they think the market is done. This results in buying high and selling low. To break this cycle, you need to manage your FOMO, but it's not easy. For example, if someone bought into crypto at the peak of the 2022 bull run and their investments are now down 95%, but they didn't sell, some of their investments might be starting to recover. What to know about pre-sale coins on Binance? To get involved in pre-sale coins on Binance, follow these steps. Go to Binance Launchpad. Find pre-sale projects listed on the Binance Launchpad platform. Watch for upcoming pre-sale events and check if you need to be whitelisted. Complete whitelisting. If needed, complete the Know Your Customer (KYC) verification to be eligible for the pre-sale. This step is required to participate. Prepare your funds. Make sure you have enough Binance Coin, BNB, or other required cryptocurrencies in your Binance account to buy the pre-sale coins. Join the pre-sale. When the pre-sale starts, visit the Launchpad platform and follow the instructions to participate. You will need to commit a certain amount of BNB or other specified cryptocurrencies to get the pre-sale coins. Receive your coins. After the pre-sale ends, the coins you bought will be added to your Binance account. Research and caution. Always do thorough research on the pre-sale projects, checking their fundamentals and growth potential. Be aware of the risks and watch out for scams or fake pre-sales pretending to be legitimate. This is a bonus tip. We will also give you a guide on how to calculate a 100 times crypto return. To determine a 100 times return on a cryptocurrency, start by multiplying the current coin price by 100 to set your target price. For example, if the coin costs $0.10 now, a 100 times return would need it to reach $10,000. Check the coin's market cap to see if such a target is realistic, as a 100 times return would significantly increase the market cap. Compare this with the market caps of other coins and consider market trends, potential adoption, and sentiment to evaluate if a 100 times return is achievable. The hunt for the next 100 times altcoin is thrilling, but remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. The next big breakthrough could be right around the corner. So do your homework, and who knows, you might just be the one to unearth the next crypto gem. Until we come again with a new video, stay tuned and stay safe.